Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone camera is not working. If you're using any iPhone and your camera is not working, for example, if you're trying to open your camera, so it might be look like a black screen. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your settings. In settings, simply scroll down the end and you will get the app section. Simply tap on it, and here you have to look for the camera, or if you can't get it here, you must have to go back, and here you have to make sure that your phone system is up to date. So open up your general, then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have any update you must have to try to download and install the update. Once you have updated your app, your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to open up your general section again, then tap on iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage. So if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to open up your general, then go for transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and from here you have to select only the option of reset all settings. So simply tap on it, and here you have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered your passcode, if there is any problem or you have enabled or disabled any settings, so it will be fixed after doing this. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to check your camera hardware, or you have to try to find official support to get official help from your iPhone. So in this way you can easily fix iPhone camera is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.